course, subscribe. If you're somebody that is looking to learn how to start a reselling business, man, you are in the right place, okay? I help people learn how to start reselling businesses. I am somebody that helps you scale. I'm somebody that not only teaches you, but I also let you learn as well. Now, one of the biggest things that somebody can withhold from you is information, right? And I do my best on this channel to make sure I don't withhold any information from you. So make sure you subscribe, okay? And if you don't know personally who I am, my name is Brandon Jones. I specialize in helping you make extra income. I, I specialize in making sure you make an extra income stream, okay? And I've been literally reselling for over a decade. I've been somebody that has I had a past where, and I don't want to get too in depth because that's not what this video is about, but I had a past where people told me I wasn't going to be anything. I had a past where I didn't think that what I wanted to do was ever going to happen. I could have played basketball, but instead I opened a business and it was a phone store, and I failed, right? Like I failed my first and second time trying this business, and I failed multiple times within the business, but it's never ever going to stop the failing part, right? Like I'm always going to fail in some way. But when it comes to how to start a reselling business, first thing you need to do is start, okay? Now you have to start, and you actually are, because you're looking at this video. So every single person, I don't care if this video gets 20 views, that is watching this video, you're actually starting by doing research. Now, the problem with that is just doing the research isn't enough, because me personally, I've been in that point, in that position, right? I've been sitting on the couch, I turn on my laptop, and then I look at how to get money, right? How to make money online. Or I know it's hard out there. So I know a lot of people are looking at different terms and in different ways, but it's like, how do I make money? And, whether you're 19 years old, 18 years old, 15 years old, 30, 50, 60, there's never ever a time frame, or it's not a time where it's too late to start actually growing and building your business. Please don't let anybody put that in your mind, and please don't ever beat yourself up and think that you can't achieve anything, right? So I want you to start. And now let me break down how a lot of people do start, right? A lot of people, they'll start by going on YouTube, and they'll type in something like drop shipping, right? They'll type in drop shipping, or they'll type in how do I make money online. Or I had a guy, he told me recently, he booked a one-on-one call. And yes, you can book calls at Hustler Taught Me. It's a booking call thing right here if you wanted to book a call, guys. And I help you with everything: a manning, listening, looking at your accounts, helping you maximize your profit in any way possible, right? But he booked the call, and he told me, he said, hey, is there any way for me to make money literally by not being online, right? And the first thing that came to me is reselling, right? Because you don't necessarily need to be online. So let's get this clear. You can resell online, you can resell in person. People that fail only resell online. Oh my God, I hope that did not go over your head. People that fail only resell online. Now, let me tell you why they fail. Because people that just look at reselling on eBay, Mercari, and sites like this, they tend to skip over the fact that there are people and consumers all around them. Yes, the house that you have right now, there's people that will buy the products that you have literally in your possession around you. You just haven't put the products in front of them. Have you walked to the corner store, or have you walked to the nearest wireless store and told them that you can get products wholesale? Oh, Brandon, I can't. Well, you can, okay? I have a website, wesply.com. It stands for We Supply, right? wesply.com. You can literally get products wholesale on this website. You don't need an EIN, which is important, and you also don't need a reseller's permit. You don't need a articles of incorporation. You don't need none of that right now. All you need is literally to go onto the site and sign up and just get wholesale pricing, okay? You can get wholesale pricing. We have a bunch of products that are not upcharged. We don't charge a lot of money for these products. We're literally being a plug. We're helping you grow your business, okay? We have everything from reps to legitimate products to speakers to headphones to a bunch of different things that you have the ability to actually get and start to actually utilize to get people to buy, right? Now, what a lot of people do is they'll go get some products and they'll use sites like this, okay? And again, it's nothing wrong with these sites, but me, I'm past these sites. I'm past AliExpress. I'm past Alibaba. I'm past these websites, because these websites are now my competitors, and I'm trying to get like them, but even better. And they personally are, to me, and this is my opinion, sites that give people hope, but honestly sites that work with people that make content on YouTube to drop ship, and they send you crappy products that your customer will never like, and it will never keep your brand flourishing, right? You'll never learn how to flourish with your brand until you source products from somebody or a company that literally is the source, right? You don't want to source your product from places like AliExpress where they say, yeah, we'll give you this for 99 cents. And then when you go try to do shipping, the shipping is like $90. You know what I mean? And then the shipping takes 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Like that's not going to be sustainable with a business, right? The same thing with Alibaba. And I would be a liar if I told you guys I've never tried these platforms. I've tried these platforms several times. Matter of fact, when I first started reselling, I actually tried Alibaba and AliExpress because I followed a drop shipper, and a drop shipper, I literally drop shipping on eBay. I mean, on YouTube, and I followed these individuals, and they're all scammers. They're all people that try and tell you, hey, this is how you drop ship and make money, and this is how you do this, that, and the third. And when I tried it, I made a little bit of money, and then people started getting refunds. Then I was the middleman. So then the application that I downloaded and paid for monthly, the app was flunky, and some of the products were out of stock, and I didn't know. Customers started complaining. My store got taken down. They took all this money out of my account, and yeah, it ended bad. And let me explain to you how to tell when that all of this is fraudulent, because none of these people have a drop shipping website that they can show you that they're making all of this money off of. Now, if you try to say, oh, well, all they do, Brandon, they'll go to their Shopify platforms, and then they'll show you that, they scroll and they show us everything on their dashboard. But yeah, your dashboard, you can create your own physical sales. So you can go and you can literally put in sales, and you make it look like you made $300,000 in a day. But that doesn't necessarily mean that it's true. So when we start reselling, we have to get out of the notion that drop shipping is something to do. Drop shipping is not something to do. If you're going to drop ship from somewhere you can actually touch, somewhere you can actually see, somewhere like Target, Walmart, places like that, Best Buy. Yes, you can drop ship off of these places. I'll give you a really, really small little tutorial on how to do it. Walmart is a great place for you to drop ship. Now, why would I drop ship off of here rather than AliExpress? Because see, here is a legitimate place, somewhere I can literally get in my car and go. I'm not going to go to AliExpress. I'm not going to go overseas and see the person in the factory that is delaying my product, right? All you need is a Walmart Plus account. Walmart Plus members, they get free shipping, okay? Then you can go and you can type in anything that you want. So what heart candy, because Valentine's Day is coming up when I'm recording this. So heart candy. So I type in heart candy, and when I type in heart candy, I see a whole bunch of stuff, right? So let's say that I see this Russell Stover Valentine's Day. Now, mind you, I don't know if this is trending or anything, but let's just see, right? None of my videos are scripted or anything like that, so we don't even gotta worry about that. But I'll type this in and let's see. So I type that into eBay, and it looks like nobody's selling that, so we need to go back and look at something else. Maybe because nobody wants to store food and try to sell that, which makes sense. So what else is for Valentine's Day? Flower, fake flower, I don't know. Valentine's decorations. Okay, cool. Valentine's Day pillows, Valentine's Day lights. I didn't know they had Valentine's lights, but this is something that for sure should be on eBay, right? So now, if you're a Walmart Plus member, you save with this, obviously. So this would be a great product, right? Let's go over to eBay and let's go and look, right? So if we go here and we type it in, it should pop up, right? And the reason this stuff pops up, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna give you guys a hint, because everybody on eBay and some people on Amazon drop ship off of Walmart. They drop ship off of Target, Best Buy. So that's where the money is, right? They drop ship off of these platforms. So this right here probably is a mock-up of this, because they're paying $2.98 for 4 of them, right? But then if you look at this, you got somebody that is selling 6, or you got somebody that's selling 24. So they're getting these for almost wholesale price, not having to actually pay for the shipping, excuse me. Because if somebody wanted to, let's just say I go and want to resell it. So I can resell this probably for $8.50. And if somebody brought it, then I can go to Walmart.com. I can purchase it with the money that they just paid, and then I can send it to them, have a gift receipt printed out, keep the gift receipt, send it to me. Then Walmart will deliver it for me to them, and I won't never ever have to worry about it. That is how you drop shit from Walmart. And that is a legitimate way for you to be able to make money reselling. Okay. Another way is, like I said, my website, or any other website in the country that you're in. So I don't believe that you should be working with countries outside of your country, because you're going to have a delay time. And those delayed times and delayed situations are going to literally take money out of your pocket. And that's something you don't want. Okay. Tomorrow I go to the warehouse and I'll show you guys more, depending on when you guys see this video. But like I said, we have products for days, months, years, okay? And we love sourcing products, but most importantly, we love pushing them out. And the reason is because it is like a boomerang. You sell a product, you get the bread, you go ahead, you put the money back out, a product comes back from that, and you do the same thing. Reselling is rinse and repeat. It's not rocket science. It's something very simple. So you guys definitely should get started with it so that you can maximize your profit. And I want to leave you guys with this. You're at an airport. You have a whole bunch of chargers on you because you're going to visit your brother, and you never know if you can get a sale or where you're going to get a sale, right? So you're at that airport, you're sitting at the seat, and you see somebody scrambling in their bag looking for their charger. They don't have their charger, and they're really upset because now they can't charge their device. You go over to that person, you say, hey, I have a phone store or online store, whatever, and guess what? I have chargers. Oh, how much is your charger? So my chargers are $10. They are AAA. They will not break, da da da, pitch it, whatever. And they buy your cable cord. This is the prime example of why physical products are always king. Because no matter what environment and where you're at, somebody is going to demand your product. You just have to be able to put that product in front of them, and you'll be able to get that sale no matter what. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, man. Start reselling. Stop procrastinating, man. This is your sign. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now, just before I let you guys go, remember every single Thursday, I have a $5 reselling class where I teach you how to resell. You go to hustlertaughtme.com, go to education, and then $5 weekly classes, and it shows you the Hustler Resellers Playbook. I have a playbook of a bunch of different ways people were making money in 2024, a bunch of ways that people lost money, and I'm going to be showing you guys throughout the years every single week on how to prevent or maximize your reselling business, and also taking Q&As. And if you can't make it, because it's at 7 p.m. every single week, 7 p.m. Eastern time. If you can't make it, you will get a replay. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.